Welcome to the final part of our Barcelona journey. Today we escape the city center to discover the whimsical heights and Mediterranean shores that make this city truly unique. We begin at Parc Güell, Antoni Gaudi's visionary garden city that reflects his belief that nature is the ultimate architect. At the entrance, the iconic mosaic lizard welcomes visitors, a symbol of the broken tile technique known as trencadís. Originally intended as a marketplace, this forest of stone columns creates a mystical space where sunlight and shadow dance. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Descending from the park, we enter Gracia. Once an independent village, it still retains its bohemian soul and fierce sense of local identity. Gracia is a maze of narrow streets and hidden plazas, a place where the community lives outdoors and time seems to move a little slower. It's also home to Casa Vicens, Gaudi's very first masterpiece, marking the birth of the architectural movement that would change the city forever. Our journey now takes us to Montjuïc, the Jewish mountain, a hill steeped in history that has served as both a fortress and a site for global celebration. The magic fountain, created for the 1929 International Exhibition, still dazzles visitors with its symphony of light and water. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The hill also bears the legacy of the 1992 Olympics, an event that transformed Barcelona into the world-class destination it is today. Finally, we reach the Mediterranean shore at Barceloneta, the city's historic fishing quarter turned urban beach. This neighborhood's soul is still tied to the sea, where the daily catch still finds its way into the local kitchens every single day. From simple snack shacks to modern beach bars, the Chiringuito culture is the ultimate expression of the relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle. As the sun sets over the harbor, the city's ancient maritime roots blend seamlessly with its modern energy. We've walked through 2,000 years of history, from Roman ruins to modernist dreams and sun-drenched shores. Barcelona is more than a city. It's a feeling, an invitation to explore, and a story that never truly ends. Thank you for joining us for this walking tour of Barcelona. We hope you found your own story in these streets. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.